I am pleased to announce that the Government of Canada, through FedDev Ontario, is contributing over $1 million to support this expansion.
We know that if we provide our entrepreneurs with the best possible spaces, the best collision space, then that will create the right mix where people will come together to brainstorm, to collaborate, to test ideas, to share equipment, and to share knowledge. Just think of all the multi-billion-dollar companies whose humble beginnings were started in somebody's garage. Disney, Apple, Google, to name just a few. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a whole bunch of new companies in our garage.
A new 10,000 square foot space shared by the Forge and its partner, the Innovation Factory.
I'm really excited. Entrepreneurs need space to work, to collaborate, to meet other entrepreneurs. We need more space to train and to, mentor and coach these folks. And I think now we're at the point where we're both full. We need to bring all those entrepreneurs downstairs and attract new ones.
So I've been a client of Innovation Factory for over 5 years, and I've been working with the Forge since its inception. And I can truly say that we wouldn't be here today without their support. They are the #1 reason why we continue to work here in this building and continue to invest in Hamilton. The next billion-dollar company might already have signed up to the Forge, and we just don't realize it yet.
I think there's something about a space that is a garage that allows people to feel relaxed, innovative, and that's exactly what we want. And so this space, being the space where this is taking place, I think is just remarkable. This is about taking an idea, developing it, bringing it to market, and as a result, Canadians benefiting.
This is a truly transformative investment and one that will go a long way to strengthening our capacity to provide entrepreneurs with the tools to advance their ideas or innovations into great jobs and prosperity. And there is so much potential here, and much of it will undoubtedly come through this new space.
Today's funding announcement for the Forge and new opportunities available through FedDev Ontario prove that we are well on our way in continuing to build a vibrant future for our ambitious city, this region, and all of Southern Ontario. Thank you very much.